Chocolatey sweet and easy to make, this brownie recipe with cocoa powder is super delicious. This recipe is made in one bowl and you can even use a lined pan for easy cleanup. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new to this channel, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. The ingredients you will need are listed in the video description below. In a large microwave-safe bowl, melt the butter. Add the cocoa powders and granulated sugar and mix by hand. Add the eggs one at a time and continue mixing. Now add in the vanilla extract, flour, and salt. If you want to add in any additional things like candies, nuts, or chocolate chips, add them in now and mix again, but be careful not to overmix. Pour the mixture into a lined 8x8 pan. Spread the batter out evenly throughout the pan. Bake in the oven for 20 minutes at 350 degrees. Let the brownies cool before cutting. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to select the bell to get notifications on future content.